Hello friends, are you excited to know who views your profile the most? I know if you use Facebook, you are probably connected to hundreds of other people, and you might be left wondering who is viewing your profile, commenting on your post, and liking your statuses and photos the most. There is no way to know for sure who is checking out your profile, but delving into who Facebook thinks you are the most connected to based on likes, comments, pokes, and messages can tell you who is your closest friend. In general, your closest friend will be the first to see your status updates and sometimes maybe the only people to see them unless they become heavily liked and commented on. If you want to know out who are the most connected to, start your investigation at this step. First step is to know who is your closest friends. Just go to your profile. Now click on the friends. This list is determined by a variety of factors including who comments on your post, who shares your items with you, and who views your profile the most. These are the people who views your profile the most and comment on your post the most. The people at the top of the list are those people. Now the second method is that examining the source code. This trick is something new. You can just try this to know who views your profile the most, who comments on your post and like your photos and statuses. Okay, just for that you have to open your Google Chrome. Now open your Facebook profile like this. Now navigate your profile. You will be looking at the source code of your profile. To have the source code, just click on the home. Click on the mid of the section. View page source. Now this is a source code of your profile, and just for this you have to click Ctrl+F. You will get a box over there. Now type initial chat friends list. See initial chat friends list. Now these are the people who views your profile the most, comments on your statuses, photos, and much more activities like this. These are like 100039086281072. Means the number is attached via dash. A next number, you have to copy the numbers before the dash like this. Now copy the number source code. Open a new tab. Write facebook.com/ now paste your source code there. Click on the enter button. You will get the profile of that person who views your profile the most. You can see the source code. There are so many people. The top one will be the one who views your profile the most, who comment on your statuses, photos, messages, and many more activities. And for the next, you can copy The next code, press Ctrl plus C. Now again you can see to which person this belongs to. See, this is the next person who views your profile the most. So by this method you can know that who views your profile the most. You can check everything and you will get to know. Okay, thank you so much. Please try it.